Internet Explorer is retired and is no longer being supported by Microsoft. But the thing is that there are still certain services and websites that still depend upon the Internet Explorer. And so in this video, I'll show you how to set up your Microsoft Edge in order for any websites to directly, or any links or websites to directly open Microsoft Edge and use that. So with your Microsoft Edge open, you're going to click the three dots at the top right. Then you're going to scroll down and then you're going to click Settings. After you click Settings, on the left hand side, you're going to click Default Browser. And after you do that, you're going to see somewhere in the middle there that it says allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode. And then it shows the description there, which says when browsing in Microsoft Edge, if a site requires Internet Explorer for compatibility, you can choose to reload it in Internet Explorer mode. And by default, it is set as default here, but you can go ahead and click allow so that it will just make sure that there will be no issues. And so you can just click allow and that'll work. You just close and it's already in effect. That's it for now. Stay safe.